How to install Mobile Zone for Mac laptops. Start with your child's laptop. Download Mobile Zone for Mac from familyzone.com/laptops. Locate the downloaded installer file. This may be available through the browser or located in the device's downloads folder. Launch the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. You'll need the administrator password. From the menu bar, open the Mobile Zone for Mac icon. Sign in with your Family Zone email and password. Assign a device name, select the device owner, then click Assign. And that's it. Mobile Zone for Mac is now protecting your child's device.